home above the rest, a lifestyle beyond expectations. Welcome to Dakshin Vistas by Signature Global. Premium low-rise floors where connectivity meets breathtaking Aravalli views. Located in south of Gurugram, Dakshin keeps you effortlessly connected via Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, KMP Expressway and the Gurugram-Sona Elevated Road, with the upcoming Bhonsi Metro adding to the convenience. Now introducing exclusive Sky Floor residences with rights to use the terrace, your personal retreat in greenery and sky. Designed for comfort, convenience and modern living, these homes provide an elevated living experience. With limited units available, now is the time to claim a home that defines luxury and exclusivity. EOIs are now open. Secure your spot. For more information, contact your relationship manager or visit the site office today. Let's know more about this project. Strategically located amidst prominent commute corridors, Dakshin offers unmatched facilities and amenities. An integrated township where everything you need is within walking distance. Yes, best-in-class infrastructure and thoughtfully planned social amenities. Proximity to 4 major highways ensuring effortless inter- and intrastate connectivity. A proposed metro route from Bhonsi that enhances intercity travel convenience. Inaugural prizes designed to maximize your investment returns. 24/7 unrestricted commute and trade possibilities, making Dakshin a round-the-clock destination. Dakshin is a mini city where opportunities abound. It's your lifetime chance to grow your wealth and elevate your lifestyle. Spread over 43 plus acres, Dakshin's employment hub is thoughtfully planned to accommodate plot sizes ranging from 550 square yards to over 2400 square yards to meet diverse business needs. Opportunities for startups and small ticket investors ensuring optimal price points and high returns. Flexibility with unit combinations catering to the requirements of a variety of users. In addition to the employment hub, Dakshin offers 25 plus acres of residential spaces ensuring a vibrant and socially cohesive neighborhood. 3.5 plus acres of luxury retail spaces designed to target tenants from surrounding markets offering better facilities and amenities. Far from the city's cluttered commercial zones, Dakshin provides IT/ITES plots that meet the unmet needs of end users. A 6 lakh square feet commercial hub where growth becomes a reality and investments multiply. South Gurugram has rapidly transformed into a real estate hotspot. Thanks to its strategic location, it enjoys seamless connectivity via Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, KMP Expressway, Gurugram-Sona Elevated Road. From Dakshin, you're just 20 minutes from Golf Course Extension Road, 17 minutes from Subhash Chowk and 22 minutes from Rajiv Chowk and Dwarka Expressway Cloverleaf. With proposed metro extensions and the RRTS project, commuting will be faster, smarter and stress-free. The numbers speak volumes in South Gurugram. Prices have increased by 20.5% in the last year alone. 5 years, the region has seen an astonishing 137.3% growth. Independent floors have witnessed a 39.2% price surge in just 3 years. Dakshin isn't just an investment, it's the opportunity of a lifetime. Dakshin caters to every phase of life, offering outdoor play areas and sandpits for children, game arenas for teenagers to socialize and unwind, yoga spaces and lush parks for seniors to relax and rejuvenate. Here, life thrives across generations. At Dakshin, nature takes the center stage. 52-meter green boulevards provide a refreshing environment. Butterfly gardens and Miyawaki forests create serene spaces to connect with nature. And the Aravalis, they're not just a view, they are your everyday escape. Luxury is a way of life at Dakshin Club Anandam that features सिद्धरावली रैपिडली ग्रोइंग इन्वेस्टमेंट डेस्टिनेशन है और सिटी ऑफ कलर्स NH8 यहाँ की पहली प्लान टाउनशिप होने की वजह से एक बहुत ही बड़े एडवांटेज के साथ आता है। सीमलेस कनेक्टिविटी और राइजिंग डिमांड के साथ ये हाई रिटर्न इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए परफेक्ट है। MSMEs और SMEs के लिए टेलर्ड इंडस्ट्रियल प्लॉट्स ऑल सपोर्टिव ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यहाँ अवेलेबल है। ये सब सिटी ऑफ कलर्स NH8 को एक यूनिक और वैल्यूएबल इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी बनाते हैं। सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल सिटी ऑफ कलर्स NH8 एक ऐसी टाउनशिप है जो कनेक्टिविटी, सस्टेनेबिलिटी और अपॉर्चुनिटी का परफेक्ट बैलेंस डिलीवर करती है। ये एक फ्यूचर रेडी डेस्टिनेशन है जहां बिजनेसेस और लाइफस्टाइल सीमलेसली इंटीग्रेट होते हैं। आज ही यहाँ के इंडस्ट्रियल प्लॉट में इन्वेस्ट करके अपने बिजनेस को एक डिजर्विंग ग्रोथ दीजिए। For any more details, contact your relationship manager or visit the site office today. Welcome to the township of Signature Global, Dakshin, Gurugram's X Factor. A visionary 125 plus acres mixed-use land development set to redefine luxury living. This innovative community offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience and a strong sense of belonging. As they say, live, work and play. Imagine a life where everything you need is within reach. From top-tier educational facilities and a vibrant retail hub to lush green spaces and a dedicated recreational club. Every aspect of your daily life is catered to in this exceptional township. Let's explore the remarkable features that make this community the ultimate destination for your dream home. Experience modern living with 3 BHK plus study units with ample space and sophistication. These homes are crafted to offer unparalleled comfort and style and ideal for contemporary families. Indulge in an exclusive clubhouse dedicated to leisure and recreation. Whether you're into sports, fitness or relaxation, this club has it all. It's a place where residents can unwind, socialize and enjoy a fulfilling lifestyle without leaving the community. Experience unmatched convenience with the retail hub strategically located on the expressway. This vibrant commercial center will cater to all your shopping and dining needs, ensuring that everything you require is right at your doorstep. The township also includes Enterprise Zone, having plots dedicated to IT, ITES and high street display stores, providing a robust foundation for businesses to thrive. A branded, well-reputed school will be a cornerstone of the township, offering exceptional educational opportunities. This ensures that your children receive a high-quality education within a secure and nurturing environment. Immerse yourself in nature with a 52-meter wide boulevard throughout the township. This lush, verdant space creates a serene and eco-friendly atmosphere, promoting a healthy and balanced lifestyle for all residents. Dakshin, Gurugram's X Factor, represents the perfect fusion of comfort, convenience and community. From luxurious homes and top-tier educational facilities to vibrant retail hubs and serene green spaces, every aspect of modern living is thoughtfully integrated into this visionary project. Stay tuned for more updates as we bring this exceptional development to life. Plan your visit soon and take the first step towards securing your dream home in this extraordinary township.
Please subscribe us to get the latest update on the real estate in Delhi, Gurgaon NCR region, and to get the video like this and to get the review about the society, about the locality, about the projects, about the builders. Please do subscribe us. Thank you.